I just don't think that a school should be somewhere where you go and sit in the classroom all day and learn the same repetitive things over and over again.
I definitely wasn't pushed enough in my school. I feel like the diversity we have is not nearly enough. I really don't know that many black superheroes. I want people to see their race in a way that they've never seen them before.
Like, nobody thinks about it. If you don't have somebody that's special needs in your family, if you don't have somebody that's deaf, you don't think about what they go through when trying to get help. My goal this year is to get a prototype, my gym-proof hearing aid. I'm here for the people that are often overlooked.
I would say my 5-year goal is making $250,000 to $500,000. I don't think it's really an age thing, it's more of a maturity level and where you want to be in life and where you're at right now.
I really want to write and record and put out a whole EP this year.
It looks like you hate it. If you're not smiling and not moving, it looks like you're miserable.
I doubt a lot of my own decisions and stuff with music. I'll just write a song and then I'll be working on it, listening to it over and over for hours. And then in my head I'm no one's gonna like this, just start over. No one's gonna like this.
I keep telling myself I can do it.
Side of the local hospital,
and 12 students might not return to in-person classes at all.
The system doesn't work for over 1 million students who drop out. They're not finding their passion, they're not finding their purpose. The death of the American public education system is at stake. And so we need to embed something that is a catalyst for change.